Why we're surrounded by
Welcome back, friends. Today, we're traveling to some of the filming locations from one of the most iconic films of the 80s. This episode is sure to provoke feelings of nostalgia. Hurry up and grab your favorite spyglass and dirtiest pirate hat. It's time to raise anchor and set the sails. We're always happy to have you come along. Let's explore The Goonies. Film locations. The Goonies premiered in movie theaters on June 7, 1985. While some of the climactic scenes were filmed in California, scenes from the movie were shot in Northwest Oregon, in Cannon Beach and Ecola State Park. Only half an hour from Cannon Beach. Most of the movie was shot on location in Astoria, which plays a huge role in the film. You can get some of the best views of Astoria from the house where the characters, Mikey Walsh, his big brother Josh, and best friend Richard, aka Data, lived at the top of the hill in the northeast corner of the town. This location is a favorite for fans of this movie classic. You can literally see the entire town from up here, looking down at the Goondocks below. This house is where the story begins as the group of kids, Goonies, attempt to save their homes from foreclosure. Amazingly, the house still looks much the same, and even better than it did over 30 years ago. Just a few minutes away you can visit the jail where the Fratellis gang helped their brother and son Jake break free from prison. The former jail has been repurposed as the Oregon Film Museum. It houses genuine props from a number of movies filmed in Oregon, paying much homage especially to the Goonies. You don't have to be a hardened criminal to find yourself inside the cell walls of this jail anymore. You can even get your mugshot taken without receiving an inmate number. And when you decide you're ready to break out of jail, you can make a getaway to the Flavel House, which is just across the street. One of Astoria's most beautiful buildings. This is where Mr. Walsh, Mikey's dad, worked as a curator. On your way out of Astoria, you can drop by Lower Columbia Bowling Alley for a quick slice of pizza and a milkshake, before making the short trip to Ecola State Park. Ecola State Park is located between the small coastal towns of Seaside and Cannon Beach. And in case you were wondering if Cannon Beach is actually named after a cannon, the answer is yes. Yes, it was. Founded in 1956, Cannon Beach was named after a naval cannon that washed up after a shipwreck in the 1840s. Both towns have a lot of charm, and being only minutes from Ecola State Park are well worth a visit and come highly recommended. Our last stop on this tour will be at Ecola State Park, where several scenes were filmed for the Goonies, most notably where the film's villains, the Fratellis, had their hideout and the start of the kids' treasure hunt. It's not hard to see why this area is treasured by the locals, and why people come here from far and wide for a glimpse. If you brought along your binoculars or a spyglass, you probably won't be spotting One-Eyed Willie's pirate ship sailing off into the sunset, but you may just spot a humpback whale if you look hard enough. What I was able to show you here is just a small preview, and barely begins to scratch the surface of how much there is to see here. Whether you're a fan of the movie, fan of beautiful places, or both, I can guarantee this is one place you won't regret going. As always, we thank you for coming along. If you found any value in watching, please leave a like or a comment below.